Firstly, open the ShinePhone app. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner and select Datalogger List. Select the Datalogger and choose Configure Datalogger. You now need to select Hotspot mode. We need to check that your dongle is in Hotspot mode. The dongle can be found on the underside of the inverter. An LED light displays, marked key. If the LED is flashing red, we need to change it to Hotspot mode. Using a small screwdriver or safety pin, press the button inside the cutout once. The LED light will change to solid blue. Next, you must connect to the Datalogger's wireless network. Select Go to Set. Choose Wi-Fi and select the Datalogger. The name will begin with JP. You may be asked to enter a password. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once connected, return to the ShinePhone app. Ensure the SN and hotspot name have the same value and click Next. Your home Wi-Fi network will display. Click Configure immediately. Please allow several minutes for the Datalogger to pair. The Datalogger has now connected successfully. You can now safely navigate back to the home screen. All done. The dongle is back online and you can now monitor the system. If you need any additional support, call the number on screen.